Welcome to Food Hacks. I'm Claire Lower, and today I'm going to show you how to turn sad wilted herbs into a beautiful, delicious spread. It is impossible to purchase the correct amount of herbs, and one of my favorite hobbies is letting them languish in the fridge until they look like this. Sad, wilted, disgusting. But the good news is, these herbs, even though they may not look their best, still have a lot of flavor to offer, and you can blend them with a little mayo to make an exciting, green, delicious sandwich spread. All you'll need to make this is a cup of herbs and a cup of mayonnaise. If you're working with woody herbs that have this tough stem like rosemary, go ahead and just remove all the little green parts. If you're working with soft herbs like cilantro or parsley, you can chuck the stems in there as well. Your mayonnaise will be a little liquidy when it first comes out of the immersion blender. If you want to use it as a sandwich spread, go ahead and pop it back in the fridge and let it set. Or you can use it as is for a delicious marinade for either chicken, fish, or shrimp. You can also add a little red wine vinegar to make a punchy, herby, green goddess salad dressing. That's all for this one. Thanks for joining me, and be sure to follow Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.